Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to solve the fix Roblox error failed to download or apply critical settings. To start, in the search box enter time, open the option Date and Time Settings. There, click on the button Change located in the field, set the date and time manually. Adjust the correct date and if necessary the time. Finally, click on Change. This will correct this Roblox error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.